Hi, PerspectaWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Wednesday, July 3rd. A very warm and humid weather pattern continues for much of the eastern U.S., including the Mid-Atlantic region. We had some heavy showers and thunderstorms that pushed through the I-95 corridor region last night from D.C. up to Philadelphia, up to interior northern New Jersey as well. And there can be scattered showers and thunderstorms today, tonight, tomorrow night, and then more numerous showers and thunderstorms are likely on Friday and Saturday. Any shower or thunderstorm over the next few days can produce some heavy rainfall in the Mid-Atlantic region, and given that the grounds are very well saturated, heavy downpours can quickly result in some localized flooding conditions. Strong cold front will arrive late Saturday night, and that could actually prompt some severe thunderstorm activity late Saturday night. And then less humid air will push into the Mid-Atlantic region on Sunday. It's slightly cooler as well. By the time we get to Monday and Tuesday, we ought to have some nice weather conditions to greet the new work week. Well, before we get to the local weather situation, let's take a look at the Atlantic Ocean. And this is a map that comes from the University of Wisconsin's CIMS website. Just Google tropical cyclones and University of Wisconsin. It's kind of a neat product that shows the airflow that pushes Saharan dust from Sahara part of Africa into the Atlantic Ocean. The winds this time of the year, the trade winds, typically push air masses from the east to the west, and all the orange and red on this particular map show where there's dry air basically, and this is an inhibiting factor to tropical storm formation in the Atlantic Ocean, and it is just widespread right now. Again, this looks like this will be an inhibiting factor over the next few weeks in the Atlantic Ocean. Here we see some dry air or Saharan dust air over the Atlantic Ocean. Also throughout the Caribbean, we have some very dry air as represented here by the oranges and yellows, and all of this is coming off the coast of Africa and moving along with the trade winds from the east to the west. So again, a lot of dry air right now, Saharan dust type air over the Atlantic Ocean, the Atlantic Basin. That will be an inhibiting factor for tropical formation over the foreseeable future. Well, here's the latest surface map across the U.S. and in the eastern half of the nation. Nothing new going on here with stalled out frontal boundary zones. And this time of the year, a stalled out frontal system can result in heavy rainfall. The air is much more moist, of course, this time of the year. So any kind of instability associated with a frontal boundary zone can result in some heavy rainfall indeed. We have a stationary front right here. We have another little wave or frontal system right over the Ohio Valley. Another one depicted here along the I-95 corridor in terms of a trough. All of these look weak, but they're strong enough to cause enough instability for some shower and thunderstorm activity. And again, with moisture content at high levels, any shower or thunderstorm that forms in this kind of pattern over the next few days can produce some heavy rainfall in a short period of time. Well, here's another map that we've become quite accustomed to. This is the total rainfall prediction by NOAA forecasters for the next 5 days, and the overall pattern is really just what I want to focus in on. Again, the eastern two-thirds of the nation just get pounded by rainfall in many areas, several inches out across the Central Plains, lots of rainfall in the southeast U.S., significant rainfall across the Mid-Atlantic region. Again, the only dry area out in here, this part of the U.S., the western part of the nation. This has been the pattern, really the dominating type of pattern in terms of precipitation over the last several months. Very wet in the eastern two-thirds of the nation and drier in the western U.S. This very well should be dry this time of the year out across California, Arizona. This is the dry time of the year typically until maybe a monsoonal type rainfall forms later on in the summer. But look at this, over the next 5 days, continuation of some heavy rainfall in the eastern two-thirds of the nation. Well, let's now walk through the surface forecast maps from last night's 6Z GFS model run. Again, the primary emphasis here is that the threat for showers and thunderstorms will continue right through Saturday in the Mid-Atlantic region. There'll be more of the scattered variety today, tonight, tomorrow night, maybe a little bit more than scattered across the D.C. metro region. We'll get into that in a moment. More widespread showers and thunderstorms in D.C. later tomorrow night. And then all areas will have more numerous shower and thunderstorm activity on Friday and especially Saturday, just ahead of the next strong cool front that arrives on Saturday night. Here we begin the day on Wednesday. A little bit of activity maybe upstate Pennsylvania, but again, only expecting scattered showers and thunderstorms for the next few hours. And later in the day, a little bit more numerous, kind of typical for this time of year, that late afternoon, early evening, the most likely time for that shower and thunderstorm activity. Again, any isolated shower, even though it's isolated, can produce some heavy rainfall given the high available moisture in the atmosphere. Let's now move forward into the overnight hours and then on to the holiday tomorrow, July 4th. Appears as if the best chance for precipitation will be basically west of New Jersey. New Jersey looks like it actually may escape tomorrow with primarily, if not completely, rain-free conditions. That includes New York City as well. But the farther south and west you go, the better the chance of some showers and thunderstorms on the holiday later tomorrow afternoon. In other words, the D.C. metro area has a better chance of getting showers and thunderstorms than Philadelphia, which has a little bit better chance than New York City, the way it looks like it's evolving for Thursday. And here we go by tomorrow night. Notice basically New Jersey in the clear here. It's kind of nitpicking. Of course, this can change a little bit over the next 24 hours. But again, the best chance for showers and thunderstorms on the holiday itself look like across D.C., maybe into Pennsylvania, south and west of the Philadelphia metro region as well. However, once we push into Friday, it becomes pretty much more widespread showers and thunderstorms expected on Friday. That could knock a couple of degrees off the afternoon high temperatures on Friday. And then we get into Saturday, and here we go. We have, notice the isobar pattern right here kind of curls back around right in this region right here. This is where a surface cold front will lie, basically from the northeast to the southwest at this time. This is Saturday evening. That can result in some strong to severe thunderstorm activity in the Mid-Atlantic region late Saturday, early Saturday night. Certainly there can be some heavy rainfall as well later Saturday night. So again, scattered showers and thunderstorms today and tonight. A little bit more numerous tomorrow night, especially in the southwestern side of the I-95 corridor region from D.C. to Philadelphia to New York City. And then more numerous showers and thunderstorms on Friday and Saturday throughout the Mid-Atlantic region. Then we get into the day on Sunday. Look at this. Nice to see a high-pressure system over the Great Lakes this time of the year. Indeed, it will push in a less humid air mass for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Slightly cooler as well. Highs should be in the 80s for those 3 days for the most part in the I-95 corridor region as compared with 90 or above over the next few days. Certainly cannot rule out some shower thunderstorm activity on Sunday, even with lowering humidity. It's still a little bit unstable, but by the time we get to Monday and Tuesday, this high looks like it'll be in control. We'll have relatively nice weather conditions in D.C., Philadelphia, New York City for Monday and Tuesday. So a lot going on. Still an overall wet weather pattern, at least through Saturday, in the eastern U.S. It can be scattered showers and thunderstorms today, tonight, tomorrow night. More numerous showers and storms on Friday and Saturday. Watch out for localized flooding conditions and watch out for the potential of severe thunderstorm activity late Saturday and Saturday night. That's it for now. For PerspectaWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.